Hello. Earlier we did some addition review. Sorry, my math board is falling on me in the back. Today, we're going to do some subtraction review with and without regrouping. So first, let's take a look at this problem. So we have 78 minus 4. The first thing we want to do is set it up in the standard algorithm, which means vertically. So and I'm always making sure to make my ones place line up and my 10. So right now I have 78 minus 4. My ones are lined up, and there's nothing in my tens on the bottom, but those are lined up. So when we subtract, we have to always start at our ones, just like when we add. And we look at our top number. If it's greater than the bottom number, 8 is greater or bigger than 4, we can just subtract. So we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We can subtract. And then we go to our tens place. 7 minus, and there's nothing there, so it's like a pretend 0 is there. So we have 7 minus 0, which is 7. So 78 minus 4 is 74. There's no regrouping there because the top number is greater than the bottom number. Let's take a look at a little bit bigger problem. Here we have 186 minus 42. I'm going to set it up in the standard algorithm, making sure my ones place and my tens place is all lined up and my hundreds, otherwise it won't come out correct. Here we go. So my ones place, my tens place, and my hundreds. Again, we have a pretend 0 here, a place value holder. There's nothing really there. So we start in our ones and we look, okay, 6 is greater than 2. So if I have 6, I can take away 2. I have enough. So I'm going to subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now I look at my 8. If I have 8, is that enough to take away 4? Yep. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And then I have 1 minus 0, which is 1. So 186 minus 42 is 144. Now let's try some problems with regrouping. All right. So my first problem I'm going to try is 30 minus 6. Always lining up my tens and my hundreds. Now when we take a look at this problem, we have a 0 on top. If I have 0, can I take 6 away from that? You might be thinking, no, I don't have 6. So what I have to do is borrow. I have to go next door and get 10 more. So I'm going to take 1 10. So now I only have 2 left. And I'm going to borrow it and add it to my ones place. Now I have 10. And if I have 10, I have enough to take away 6. So what is 10 minus 6? Which is 4. If you're able, I would follow along. Now I have 2 minus our pretend 0, which 2 minus 0 is 2. So 30 minus 6 is 24. Awesome. Let's do one more time. 122 minus 45. Stack it up, making sure my ones, my tens, and my hundreds are all lined up. I'm going to use a different color this time. So I start in my ones. If I have 2, can I take away 5? Nope. It's smaller than my bottom number. So I have to go next door and get 10 more. So I have 2, but I'm going to take 10. So now I only have 1 left. And I'm going to add my 10 here. So now I have 12 minus 5. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So I have 7. Wonderful. Now I have 1. Can I take away 4? Nope. I have to go next door, get 10 more. If I take 1 10 away, now I have 0 left here, and I have 11 here. So now I have 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. And now I have 0 minus 0, which is 0, so I don't have to put anything there. And so 122 minus 45 equals 77. That's subtracting with borrowing and going next door to get 10 more. Awesome. Let's look at one more problem. Here I have a word problem. Let me scooch it closer here. Uh-oh, my back erased some of it. So here's my word problem. There are 136 students in 3rd grade. 27 of them brought bagged lunch. How many are buying hot lunch? So we start by underlining what we know. We know there's 136 students. We know 27 of them brought bagged lunch. What we want to know is how many are buying hot lunch. That's what we don't know. Okay? So I have to think to myself, okay, I know there's 136. I know 27 brought lunch. How many left? When I'm looking for a difference, I always subtract. So let's take a look here. Let's set up my problem. I have 136 3rd graders minus 27 that brought bagged lunch. And I'm lining up my 10s and my 1s. Now I think, okay, I have 6. Can I take away 7? Nope. So I have to go next door and borrow 10 more. So I only have 2 left here. Now I have 16. What's 16 minus 7? 9. Now I have 2 minus 2. If I have 2, can I take away 2? Yep, which would be 0. And now I have 1 minus 0. If I have 1, can I take away none? Yep, so 109. Am I done answering my question though? Nope, my question was, how many are buying hot lunch? I would say 109 students bought hot lunch. Period. And now I am done. Hope that helped. Have fun.